homie Chato's gonna help me install these. So I got the homie Chato a little gift.
Yeah, I got what girl in my dummy and buckle. $250,000 my
What's good, y'all? Starting up another video. This video we're gonna be doing the suspension, the drop kit for the Trailblazer. The homie Chato's gonna help me install these. Since we're doing the drop, he said might as well try to do most of the suspension. So we're gonna do the end links. What else? The tie rods, the front polyurethane bushings. Just try to get that out the way since the truck has a couple miles on it already. And then for the next video, shout out to the homie Martin. This fool got these speed engineering headers shipped to him in Arizona, and he shipped them over here to me. So shout out to him for doing that favor for me. We're also gonna be installing some neighbor haters mufflers. We're gonna be taking it to Mike's Performance Exhaust. I also got the homie Chato a gift. This was always helping me out with my truck. You know, never charges me anything. He just does it because he wants to. But I got him some PCM of NC performance spark plug wires with the bead sockets. I know he's been wanting these. I have them on my truck. So yeah, I think that's gonna be the first mod to his car. So hope he likes them. Well, day 2, the day after. Just got here to Mando's house. We're gonna work on the truck right here because where I live, it's like infested with like cats. And a couple of them died, I guess. So there's fucking fleas everywhere. So they're fumigating my garage. But Chato always makes it work. That's what we gotta do. Got the homie's gift right here. Let's see what it says. What's up? Here's your gift, bro.
That's all?
Yeah, 2 people.
Alright.
You want to open it right now or after?
Oh shit, thanks, bro.
Just a bunch of trash.
No,
You dick.
Hice un plan macabro y me salió.
you got me the same wires you got yourself?
Yeah.
You're an asshole.
Why? Which ones do you want? You want those little cheap fucking $30 ones?
You gonna get me the better ones?
Which ones?
No,
You know what I'm saying?
bro.
Got you, bro. And I got you the heat sockets. Because I already knew your ass was going to complain.
You got him there?
Yeah.
You didn't cry? What the fuck? Why?
So we got the truck up. And stands. Unfortunately, because my neighbors decided to have fucking cats, we had to come do this over here because they're fumigating. So we're going to do it right here at Mando's house on the sidewalk. Just the rear for today, and then maybe tomorrow we'll do the front. What did you remove, Chato?
Shock.
From the top, from the bottom.
Where's this that everybody got? Oh, this one was the one that you had fucked.
Yeah. Where's this everybody got?
It's still hiding, bro.
Luckily, Rafa right here has these badass tools that bend and I don't know what. Yep.
They bend and break a lot. There you go.
Quick. Surprisingly, he's doing this shit quick. I think the one where we might suffer a little bit more is the front. We got the upper control arms and a bunch of bushings, end links, and the tie rod.
Yeah,
Tie rod.
is completely blown.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah. Alright, so I'm not gonna mess with that either. We're just gonna chop it off.
Alright, that's fine.
Take this grade off.
Okay, so the Norcal kit doesn't come with these bump stops, so I'm just gonna have to buy new ones online and put them on after. But the most important thing to do right now is putting on the springs in the back, the strut, and I have end links that I bought for it. Springs in, the strut too. Chato's doing this surprisingly really fast. I'm gonna have to do end link right here, the old one. The end links are on. This is the old one. Got Mando right here. You wanna say what's up to the vlog? Gang shit, you already know. Chat right here, got about to do the other side with the end link. What's up, guys?
Looks like we're done for today.
Done deal. End links, the spring, the strut. Done deal. Shout out to Chato helping us out. Mando put it in that work.
We're redoing your whole front suspension with new bushings, new ball joints, sway bar end links, and we're dropping it.
Yes, sir. So we're gonna be changing the control arm. This what is it? The strut? What do you call it? Whatever. The centerpiece to drop it. The end link. What else? Yep, and this upper ball joint and the lower ball joint that's down here. So my rotors are pretty bad, and my brake pads are pretty much done. So I'm gonna end up shaving the rotors and getting new brake pads for the Trailblazer. We were struggling with the bottom ball joint because we couldn't get it out. So the method that we did was holding it with a jack stand under and finding a socket that fits the centerpiece right here and just hammering it basically out, and it worked. We struggled, I mean, but well, Chato did most of the work. He got it out, but we both went at it. Nah, get at it.
I was definitely by myself.
Oh, really? Who was the one that came up with the idea, bro?
Who was the one shopping for parts? You're trying
Get
to
oh wow! I want to go get the rotors resurfaced, and I bought brake pads, but I'm back. But who's the one that gave the idea? You're officially done.
No.
Well, we still need to put the wheel back on or whatever. But the new brake pads are on. The new shaved rotors are on. Control arms are on. The end link is on. The new tie rod is on. The strut is on. What else? Oh, the upper and lower ball joints on both sides are done. It's done. We're just gonna put the wheel back on. Oh, and the fucking caliper. Other than that, done deal. Tomorrow, I'm gonna take it to go get aligned, and it should be good to go. Got my cuñada right here, Swizzy. Ain't shit. You already know.
What about me?
You've been mentioned already in the fucking video, bro.
And this guy.
And then this guy over here. I don't know what the hell he's doing here.
Where are you going?
We just got here to the alignment shop. That's how us. Gang shit, bro. Yeah, that's how the drop looks. That shit's pretty low already. It's aligned already and it's driving good. Humanize on, you already know. Yes, sir. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe and share. Thank you.